Next up, tactical extraction for Legion. We need to extract with 13 gas grenades, 11 flash grenades, and 7 snapshot grenades, which is really simple to do, but of course can take a ton of time. If you have a few friends, you could even do this in one match. Otherwise, if you plan on doing this slowly while you play, it'll take a very long time. Basically, you need to find and extract with 13 gas grenades, 11 flash, 7 snapshot, or you can take them in and extract with them in your inventory or in your hotbar, and they'll still count. Something even better is if you buy ammo packs or find ammo packs and drop them while you have 1 or 0 tactical grenades in your hotbar, you'll be able to refill whatever you have currently selected in your hotbar with 2 of them. So using this very simple technique, we can cheese this completely by going into a map with, say, a gas grenade, dropping it and putting it in our stash, holding tab or whatever key or button it is for you, then dropping an ammo pack and picking up another 2 of them when we use that ammo pack. Now we'll have 1 or 2 in our backpack plus 1 or 2 in our hotbar. All we need to do is drop these, put them in our backpack, and once again drop another ammo refill from it, and poof, there's another 2. Now, if you go into a game with friends, even if they don't have this mission turned on or have it at all, they can also extract with the other 2 types of grenades, or even whatever grenade you have, and it'll still count towards your mission. So what I'd recommend you do is, if you're doing it solo, go in with a gas grenade, drop it and stow it, then refill from an ammo stash. They only cost 1,000 from buy stations, and of course they drop pretty often. 222. Eventually, in no time, you'll be able to extract with probably a full inventory of just gas grenades. Do the same for flash, then snapshots. Now, if you have friends, they can go in with 1 type each. Do the same thing where you refill from an ammo cache, and they can all refill from the same ammo cache, which makes life a lot easier, and you can probably finish this even in 1 game. Otherwise, if you're doing it solo, it'll take you a few games to do, but following this very simple guide of using ammo caches to refill, it'll be a heck of a lot quicker. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. It's a really simple mission, though can take a lot of time if you don't know about this very useful trick. Anyways, my name's been Technobe here for Troubleshoot. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!